When someone reaches out to be touched and comforted. When someone hopes to be healed and cured. When someone seeks relief from suffering and pain. May they never be denied. That's been Cipla's mission since we began in 1935 as a small Indian enterprise committed to the nation's quest for self-sufficiency. The war that followed saw Cipla rise to the challenge of meeting the alarming shortage of essential medicines. And by the 1960s, we pioneered bulk drug manufacturing in the country, which truly laid the foundation for the pharmaceutical industry in India. Over the years, our commitment to heal, protect, and enrich lives has only grown. So have our capabilities. Cipla wasn't built overnight by mergers and acquisitions. It was built brick by brick, capability by capability, technology by technology, innovation by innovation. Overcoming one challenge after another of a changing world. Welcome to Cipla. Cipla today has over 40 world-class manufacturing facilities across the country. We have dedicated plants for oncology products, hormones, inhalers, beta-lactams, injectables, and cephalosporins, among others. Our manufacturing plants and processes are seen among the most sophisticated in the world. We roll out world-class products in over 65 therapeutic categories.
We strive not just to meet stringent international standards of quality, but to exceed, to excel, to meet what we call the Cipla benchmark.
Our product range includes over 200 APIs, from high-potency actives in grams to those made in several tons. And our range of finished products and dosage forms is by far the largest in the world. Everything from a simple tablet or capsule to nasal sprays and eye drops, metered dose and dry powder inhalers, pre-filled syringes and lyophilized injections, transdermal and spray patches, liposomal and nanoparticle injectables, proteins and large peptides. Metered dose and dry powder inhalers, pre-filled syringes, and lyophilized injections. Whether it is constantly extending the product range or consistently introducing innovations, our mission is always to make the life of the patient better. This is the very purpose of research and development in Cipla, and it's driven by a simple philosophy. It's not about how many $1 million we spend on research or how many scientists work here. It's about how many path-breaking innovations we offer. It is this philosophy that drives Cipla to do pioneering work in patient compliance and convenience, like the world's first oral iron chelator that replaced the painful pump on thalassemic children. The world's first dispersible pill that combined 3 syrups into a single pill for pediatric AIDS. The world's first 3-in-1 inhaler for COPD. The world's first multi-drug pill to prevent heart attacks. All Cipla innovations are focused on just one result, the benefit of the patient. Like the world's largest range of medication and unique devices that we developed for asthma, it means that today, for every individual condition of asthma, we have a unique medication and a unique device that suits the patient best. We even partnered with the medical fraternity to shatter myths and spread awareness. This has empowered the patients to manage their asthma better and lead a fuller life. This relentless commitment to asthma motivated us to set up the Chest Research Foundation almost a decade ago. It's one of the few institutes in the world that's dedicated to clinical and allied research in the field of chronic respiratory diseases. However, the innovation that revolutionized and changed the very complexion of disease management was the world's first triple-drug AIDS cocktail. In 2002, Cipla offered it at less than $1 a day to countries where AIDS medication was unaffordable. This opened the doors of hope for the millions of patients for whom AIDS was a death sentence until then. It was an innovation that was born out of a belief that none shall be denied.
We believe there's no use in developing life-saving medicines if we can't make them affordable for the patient.
In fact, it was Cipla's initiative on AIDS that forced the world to change its attitude towards a patient's fundamental right to life-saving medicines. In a way, it redefined the very business of healthcare and liberated countries from the stranglehold of unaffordable medication. But as newer dimensions of diseases emerge, there will always be a need for even better solutions.
At Cipla, we have the capability to adopt and cross-pollinate diverse technologies to come up with unique solutions.
Our expertise includes several platform technologies like nanoparticle, liposomal, melt granulation and extrusion, and microencapsulates. And we are already geared up for the challenges in biotechnology that the future will bring. Today, we are among the very few pharmaceutical companies in the world to have extended our expertise to even animal and crop care, with over 500 veterinary and agrochemical products. It's our willingness to share this vast and varied knowledge and our belief in building long and successful relationships with partners that attract companies from around the world to Cipla. To seek strategic alliances with us for product development and innovation, technical support, and marketing. In a small way, we even help countries set up their pharmaceutical infrastructure and train their professionals, contributing to their quest for self-reliance, just as we began healing India 7 decades ago. Today, across 183 countries, there are millions of people who benefit from a Cipla product. In their cure and relief lies the ultimate purpose of what we do. However, there will always be problems that we have no answers for. To those we can't offer a cure, we offer care in abundance. The Cancer Palliative Care Center for the Terminally Ill is Cipla's labor of love for the patients and their families, and also a training institute for the medical community, arising from a belief that if we can't heal their disease, we must try and heal their pain. There's a long way to go before every suffering and every pain can be removed from this world. But until then, Our effort is always to be there for as many people as we can, to put a smile on as many faces as we can. It's a promise that the 20,000 of us in Cipla strive to keep every day.